I am HVAC repair guy. I am a former Navy nuclear electrical operator with over 17 years of field experience servicing residential systems. Today we are comparing the Bosch IDS Premium and the Liberty GSZV9 heat pump systems to see which one delivers the best performance and value for your home. This review is built to help you navigate your options and make a smart buying decision when replacing your outdoor unit and indoor air handler. Let us look closely at the build quality and how these outdoor cabinets protect the expensive components inside. The Bosch IDS Premium is constructed with a durable slotted panels design that protects the outdoor coil while maintaining steady airflow. The Liberty GSZV9 utilizes a heavy gauge louvered steel panel configuration which prevents dirt and leaves from clogging the aluminum fins. Both manufacturers understand that protecting the coil from hail and yard debris keeps the system running cleanly and extends its overall operating life. The Bosch IDS Premium delivers an impressive 10.5 heating efficiency rating that significantly reduces monthly utility bills during freezing weather. The Liberty GSZV9 offers a competitive 8.2 heating efficiency that handles seasonal temperature drops well. The major mechanical design comes down to the compressor and fan technology sealed inside the metal cabinets. The Bosch IDS Premium utilizes a true variable speed inverter compressor paired with a variable speed condenser fan motor. The Liberty GSZV9 also features an advanced inverter-driven variable speed compressor and variable speed condenser fan. This setup allows both outdoor heat pumps to ramp down quietly at night, changing speeds continuously to match your exact heating or cooling load while reducing hard starts. Bosch is an independent, premium, global technology brand that manufactures its high-tier inverter systems in its own dedicated factories. Liberty is a value-focused brand under the Daikin parent company family, sharing many internal parts and factory relationships with Goodman Systems. While Liberty focuses on maximum hardware value, Bosch targets the premium replacement market with advanced digital electronics. Let us talk about real numbers regarding equipment pricing and what a contractor charges for a complete installation. The average equipment price for the Bosch IDS Premium sits around $4,500, with a total average installed price of $10,500, including a new thermostat and refrigerant lines. The Liberty GSZV9 comes in slightly lower, with an average equipment price of $4,000 and an average installed price of $9,000. Your final investment depends heavily on necessary electrical upgrades and local labor rates. Warranty protection provides peace of mind. Bosch protects your investment with a 10-year compressor warranty and a 10-year parts warranty, backed by engineering done in Germany and final assembly in Ohio. Liberty counters with a massive warranty package featuring a 10-year parts warranty, an unbeatable lifetime compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement guarantee if the compressor fails early. If I had to put my name on one of these installs, it would be the Liberty GSZV9. You get the exact same premium, variable speed, inverter, technology, and quiet outdoor operation as the competition, but it comes with an unbeatable lifetime compressor warranty for thousands less out of pocket. That combination of exceptional long-term financial protection and daily energy savings delivers an unmatched ownership value you can actually feel. That is how you shop like a pro.